What's good, everyone? I'm Kami from Martial Arts and Fitness Lifestyle. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do the shoe shine. Great technique for helping you improve your punching speed. If you do boxing or any kind of striking, martial arts like kickboxing or maybe like I know like karate, you use like some hand movements as well. I remember the first time I saw this, I was like, wow, I want to be able to do this, and now I can do it, so I want to show you how to do it. So this video won't be too long, so watch until the end. Hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and comment down below what other videos you'd want me to make in the future. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to the video. Yeah, so guys, you're just gonna start in your normal stance. You don't want to be too upright, slightly hunched over, bend your knees. You want to begin by relaxing your shoulders. You don't want your shoulders to be too tense. Just chill out. Then begin rotating your hips, because your hips are gonna be doing a lot of movement when you're doing this technique. Then start rotating your elbows, your shoulders, and your hips. The key to making your punches look fast is you're not punching with your arm, but you're punching with your hips instead. So you're leading with your hips when you're punching, not your arms. So yeah, just practice moving like that, rotating your elbows, shoulders, hips, and yeah, eventually you'll be able to do it faster, and that gives you that effect. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.